Organic fertilizer, derived from the process of fermentation or digesting of any digestible material. They have a complex biological structure. Complete and timely consumption of nutrient by plant is ensured. Synthetic fertilizer. They correspond to the chemical reaction as well as a byproduct of petroleum industry. Urea, MOP, and DSP are coming to the chemical reaction. They are easy to use but cause many disasters. If Sri Lanka could produce organic compost at the rate of 125 kg per person per year, they can replace synthetic fertilizer with organic fertilizer without impact on food security. Based on sufficient raw material and demand, Sri Lanka has a good opportunity to start compost manufacturing industries.